Welcome to my Mitali Hungama channel, and today we are in the grape farm. So we are going to explore here. Let's get started. Hi! Look there! So many grapes! It's so fun. So, first, I'm going to tell you what colors are of the grapes. These are the black grapes, and there is some of green grapes. These black grapes first be the color red. When they're ready to eat, they're all black color. This is red, means it's going to be ready. These are the baby grapes. They're going to be ready after 1 year. So this is the green grapes farm. These are all the green grapes. I'm going to taste one. It's getting ready now. Let's go. So many. This is called drip. It gives water to the tree and also generates other water. Nice. You want to eat grapes? See! Uh... Boom! This is the grape season, and it's my one of the favorite food. You like the grapes from the taste of the grapes? And if you like this video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!